Hello, friends. Do you have a dream to get a job into IT industry, and you are worried about how will you start your career into the world of IT? What are the necessary things to do? What all things should be known to you before you should present yourself in the interview? What is your resume look like? And many number of questions you might be having into your mind. Second most important thing you might be thinking in your mind is what courses should you purchase, from where you should learn something, because getting a job in hand is not a joke and it is needed. A job is needed to everyone, not everyone but most of the people, because seeing Shark Tank and thinking that I will be a successful entrepreneur is not the thing which is going to happen in real life. Because when someone has idea about the business, then you will compulsorily need what? Money. Yes, exactly. So from where you will get that? It is not possible for everyone to start their own businesses and to get success in that business. So for that matter, many of the peoples needs job. So as everyone know, IT industry is the very growing industry and it is give you the all facilities, like to living the life. It will give you all the facilities. So facility by means of money. So, to answer your all queries, I am here with my YouTube channel, The Tech Fest. Here I will answer your all queries. Along with that, I will give you all guidance related to your job, like what your resume should look like, what should be there, what should not be there, what is one very important thing to crack any interview, then details about your communication skills. The second thing is I will tell you basic programming languages. I will clear your all concepts, your all queries. Along with that, I will teach you database also. So in short, I will give you complete guidance regarding getting a job. So after seeing all the videos, you will be job ready. So this is what I am going to give to you. So in that matter, what you will return to me, so you have to do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel TechFest, where I will answer your all the technical queries and I will make you a job prepared person. So till then, stay tuned and wait for the first video. Bye bye.